Henry and Blind Scotsman was staying at Vickerstown Station sheds. Scotsman returned back early again from his next stop on his birthday tour. He had escaped a nasty accident that injured 2 people. And he was grateful to be alive and undamaged. Anyway, down to what they were doing. Says Lemony. While you were on your tour, you lay your stop, said Emily. We had a few weeks with our special visitor. Ah, said Scotsman. He just finally made an appearance. We were so busy, Henry, that I didn't have a chance to speak to him. Ugh, phooey. And I'm not going back to the Bluebell Railway until next year, most like. I'm sorry, said Henry. Ah, it's okay, said Scotsman. Apparently, Pete was very surprised. What do you mean, said Scotsman? Well, the package ordered and you worked with Pete during this last week here, the last few weeks here. He also spent no time with Duck. Score spent his time with his other younger siblings. And he was at the museum. He looks in very good condition. That's a relief, said Scotsman. So how long is you going to the Bluebell area for? Henry thought. To the end of this month. I mean to the beginning of November, he said. I see, said Scotsman. Ow! By the time my birthday tour is over, he'll be back in America. I have no idea where he's going once he gets back to America, though. Go on back to museums and everything. I don't know. He was pretty happy to finally meet him and see him. Those were around and late the 1960s. Good point. I had my US tour the end of the 1960s into the 1970s. Then I got stuck. So, anyway, said Scotsman. How you think Eddie was feeling when she finally saw Angel? In shock, said Andy. Very much in shock. Only engine that didn't get to see him was Leo. Was he still in his overhaul? You got a point there, said Scotsman. Oh, look! There's Katie with her Anyone Express with Edward. Friends, they're well, they're War Hero Express. Ugh. Did you know? Although, Henry, what's this rumor that's going around that the fucking trying to retiring me? Well, you noticed that too, said Henry. Of course I did, said Scotsman. How could I not? Well, you know, said Henry, it feels weird. In what way? Said Scotsman. That. We're about to have a seventh control. Israel's about to have a seventh controller. You know, you're right about that, said Henry. Said Scotsman, you're right about that. We've been through so much. Anyway, I don't know what my next birthday tour stuff is. I'm probably gonna be home for a while. I happen to agree, said Henry. I don't know either. So the National Railway Museum will have something for you. True, said Scotsman. True. And about Andrew, I actually get why he and the museum have to keep that secret. Because they were waiting until the man was locked up. Then the man died in jail. His kids were his ex-wife was a lot nicer. I remember when I first came into service in Illinois that I met the man's kids. Both were very interested in railways. And in fact, Andrew the E2 was named after Andrew a year ago. Said he wanted to be a station master one day. That finally happened in 1967. Yes, said Emily. His kids are nicer. A lot nicer. And it's unknown if there's any descendants of the family around today. But that name, the name Diago, will forever be in the history books. That is true, said Scotsman. Oh, you know what's funny? Speaking of the Bluebell Railway, what? Said Emery. I ran into Gordon. What? Said Emery. Yup. Turns out the National Railway Museum sent him to the Bluebell Railway surprise for me. I'll visit this guy for a chance to see him. For he does his mainline tours. I think he starts this month, actually. Mainline tours. Or trials, for them I should say. Well, I hope he's going to run to Nemney. He won't be, said Scotsman. The museum takes quite good care of us. Oh, by the way, the Bluebell Railway is bringing back Bluebell. Oh yes, said Emily, I heard about that. She's coming back into steam next year. Thank God. She's getting a vault. It might be a lot of Stephanie again. Still. Well, they both have adventures, said Scotsman. But I take your point. Anyway, thank you all for watching, viewers. Yes, said Emily. Goodbye.